Morning folks, it's the San Jacinto Trail Report from up here at San Jacinto Peak on Tuesday the 12th of October 2021, and as you can see we last night got just a very small dusting of snow, so we'll legitimately call this the first video of winter 2021-2022. As you can probably see, it fell as graupel. This the snow equivalent of hail. These small sort of ultralight snowballs, polystyrene type balls. Was about a quarter inch above 7,000 feet. And not much more than that, even higher up in places above about 9,500 feet. It's dusted and drifted to maybe a half inch. And as you can probably see on the trees behind me, quite a thick rime in places. Super cooled mist sticking to the trees. In Idlewild we had some hail, some quite large hail actually, about 10 millimeters, some of the stuff I measured, close to half an inch. Obviously first snow of the season's exciting, especially for those of us who live up here concerned about fire risk. Start to feel like that might be in our rear view mirror, thankfully, hopefully. And then also interesting because this is actually the earliest I've recorded snow up here in the past decade. In 2018 I had a little dusting on funnily enough, on the 12th of October. So this that fell yesterday was actually the earliest snow recorded, at least in a winter in the past decade at least. Hopefully that's a good omen, because the 2018-2019 winter was turned out to be a fairly reasonable one, so maybe this is a good start. I did actually put spikes in my bag this morning, but certainly not needed. Graupel, because it's a really low water content snow, actually has a really nice grip to it, and as you can see it hasn't really settled on the rocks at all, because it tends to blow off and roll off. As you can probably tell, it's pretty chilly up here. Currently about I had a wind chill of -3.3 Fahrenheit, so that's about -20 centigrade. Air temperature was about 16-17 Fahrenheit. Relatively light wind today from the northeast. It was howling yesterday evening. So from this point on, certainly be prepared for cold temperatures. Forecast is for temperatures to actually warm up over the course of the next few days. I suspect all this snow will be gone in a couple of days, and actually next week to be at or even slightly above seasonal for October. But as you can see, a beautiful day up here at San Jacinto Peak, and safe hiking everyone.